FlushFit is a single and double curtain track system recessed into the ceiling. The track is 13mm high and fits inside the ceiling sheet. FlushFit is supplied in 6-meter lengths, however, can be ordered custom cut to size. For longer runs, tracks simply butt together. FlushFit can be custom bent to any angle up to 90 degrees on either 250mm or 150mm bend radius formers. For two parallel mounted tracks, the window side radius is 250mm and the room side 150mm. VANDA can supply bent pieces of track to assist with accurate marking of recess cut lines. When installing, make sure FlushFit has the packet of screw fasteners supplied by VANDA. Using incorrect screws risks damage to the track, which usually has to be totally replaced. To prepare for mounting, fix timber supports at the same elevation as the mounting surface for ceiling sheets. Allow for a parallel recess of 18mm in ceiling sheets into which the track will fit. It is important for the timber noggin to run the entire length either parallel with battens or fitted between adjacent rondo or timber battens. The customer will specify the distance from the wall to the center line of this recess. The standard distance is 60mm from the wall and usually a maximum of 90mm. The distance between two parallel mounted tracks with bends is 95mm to the track center lines. This gives a jib fillet of 77mm between the tracks, which ensures parallel recesses around the radius. Avoid applying adhesive anywhere along the entire length of the area where FlushFit recesses will be cut. Failure to do this can result in the track sitting proud of the ceiling sheet. FlushFit fastens into this recess, overlapping by its 5mm flanges. Cut using a multi-tool and remove dust using a vacuum. The 90-degree bend template we supply is a guide only. It is the builder's responsibility to check that the recesses run parallel with walls and that bends are exactly 90 degrees. Position one end of the track hard up to one end of the recess to allow an 11mm gap at the other. This provides access to fit curtain glides. Attaching the cover plate will cover this gap. The track has holes pre-punched at 500mm centers. Use a number 1 square drive bit. Take care, as using too short a drive bit will result in damage to the track. A drive which is 100mm long is perfect for the job. FlushFit, designed, manufactured and guaranteed by VANDA. Any queries, please phone or email. We are ready to help.